Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add Claude Chrome extension. Alright, so let's dive in. Now first of all, just open your Chrome browser, go in the search bar and type here Chrome Web Store. Alright, now click on the first website. Here go on the search bar and type Claude. Now go on the first and click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. It will take a few moments to add. Now as you can see, the extension is installed. Okay, so just click on this puzzle icon on top and pin this extension. Click on the extension, and as you can see, I have to log in. Now important thing to keep in mind is that if you are on a free plan, you can't use Claude as an extension on Chrome. You have to be on a paid plan, or you have to be a paid user in order to use Claude. So I'm gonna log in with my account. Now as you can see, this is the interface. Okay, so as you can see, I can select models from here, effort over here, and extension settings. I can change this. Shortcut options, permission. I can review my task. I can attach some files if I want. So it is pretty basically like the app, but you can use it in a tab. So for example, if you are on a website and you want to review something about it, you can just ask the extension to tell you about the website, like how's the website, how its layout is designed, and what's the content in the website, and much more. So that's how you can do it. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.